Do you have inflammation, sugar spike? I'm going to be showing you how to make a healing herbal tea that will help to boost your immunity, fight inflammation, improve digestion, and also help you to stay healthy. So I'm going to show you how to make turmeric tea with simple ingredients from your kitchen. So to make this tea, I'll be adding 2 cups of water into the pot. I'll also add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Feel free to use the fresh turmeric. So I'm going to stir the turmeric to make sure that it mixes into the water. Then I will set aside. I'll be making use of ginger, which I've already peeled. So I'm going to use a mortar to pound it. Feel free to grate it. So while pounding, I'm also going to be making use of cinnamon stick. You can also decide to use cinnamon powder, but I will be using the cinnamon stick. So I'm going to add it into the mortar. Then is few clove seed. So I'm going to add the clove seed. I also make use of black pepper. I'll be adding the black pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then I'm going to crush them. Adding ginger to this drink will help to treat sore throat, and the cinnamon will help to boost immunity because it is packed with anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. It will also help to relieve cold, sore throats, and the black pepper are loaded with anti-inflammatory properties which will help to boost digestion. When I'm done crushing it, I'll be adding it into the pot. So I'll be making use of 2 bay leaves. So I will cut it and put into the liquid and allow to boil for about 5 minutes. After boiling for about 5 minutes, the tea is ready. I'll remove from the heat and allow to cool. When I notice that the tea has cooled down a little, I'm going to strain to get the tea. Adding turmeric to this drink is so useful because to increase mucus production and help to flush out any substances that clogs your respiratory tract. Finally, the tea is ready. You can enjoy 1 cup of this tea. You can choose to add honey or lemon. This is a simple and easy turmeric tea that you can make at home because it contains anti-inflammatory properties which will help to improve your health, aid digestion, and other health benefits.